everyone, welcome back to the channel. For this illustration, I'll be using acrylic paint markers, colored pencils, as well as brush pens and fine liners. Both the acrylic markers and the colored pencils are cheap art materials that I found online. I've been wanting to test them out properly, and so I thought this would be a good opportunity to finally give them a proper test. The prompt for today's illustration is the word sprig. Now I have to be honest, I had no clue what to do with this prompt. So I just went the more familiar route and searched for an inspiring photo on Pinterest. I did find one and decided to just add sprigs of flowers and little things to kind of showcase the word prompt for today. Now I know this is kind of cop out, but I just wanted to do something that was also familiar to me and something not so difficult. I'm more comfortable doing portraits, and this was a good chance to also use colored pencils with it. I remember being so obsessed with colored pencils when I was first starting out in my art journey. First colored pencil set I got was a set of Prang watercolor pencils, and then I purchased Prismacolors and then Faber-Castells. They're all still wonderful, except that I always end up losing patience when I'm working with them because it takes quite a bit of time of a lot of layering and going back and forth whenever you use colored pencils in order to just get the right look, especially when you do portraits. One thing to keep in mind when using colored pencils is that you want to choose the right paper to go with it as well. If you want that beautiful textured grainy look, then go with textured paper. Like for this one, I'm using watercolor paper, a cold press watercolor paper, because I initially intended to use gouache or watercolors with this drawing. So it has that very textured pencil look. However, if you want a smoother, more burnished portrait, then I would suggest going with either a hot pressed paper, a Bristol board or a Bristol paper, or even vellum. But vellum has a slight texture to it, but it's still better if you want to have to exude that smooth look of the skin whenever you're doing portraits. I'll go ahead and jump in the subs and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I surprisingly enjoyed working on this piece. I didn't have to think too much, and I loved how the contrast between the pencil and the inks looks like. Thanks for joining me in this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.